This is a short overview about the thalamus and its connections. Okay, it's a very interesting area, but because of lot of nuclei you might got confused. So now we'll clarify that. Okay, so this is a section, and here you can see the both the sides like a leaf, red color thing, both the sides, that is your lateral ventricle. You can see the lateral ventricle. In between that septum is called a septum pellucidum, and down you are having the third ventricle. Look at this, the center one, okay, dark in color, that is called third ventricle. Nicely you can see the third ventricle. Both the sides of the third ventricle you are having the thalamus. Okay, so both the sides you are having thalamus, two thalamus, and beneath the thalamus continues down with a tectum of the midbrain. So you can see the red nucleus down, nicely rounded structure. Okay, this is about the overview of the thalamus, the first most important point. Second thing, when you see the thalamus, above that you are having the thalamostriate veins, stria, all everything, stria terminalis, everything is seen here. This and all we don't want, but here few important MCQs are there. You can see four colliculus, superior colliculus and inferior colliculus, four bodies are there. That superior colliculus is for the visual pathway. Okay, it is one of the important part in the visual pathway, and the inferior colliculus is one of the important part in the auditory pathway. So these two are MCQs, superior colliculus and inferior colliculus. You can even see the pineal body also. In between the superior colliculus you can see the pineal body. You can see here I have written as pineal. Okay, this is the pineal body, and then next is come down. You can see a nice nerve. This is the floor of the fourth ventricle, posterior aspect. Okay, and that above that you are having the superior medullary velum, which connects the roof, which forms the roof of the fourth ventricle. Okay, inferior medullary velum is also there, but it is non-fibrous. Okay, you will not be having that white matter over that, so you cannot see that. Only superior medullary velum is fibrous, so you can see that thick, and you have one important nerve lying over that, that is your trochlear nerve. Okay, this one MCQ. And what is superior colliculus, what is inferior colliculus function, that is another one MCQ. And then inside the fourth ventricle you can see a nice bulge inside, that is your facial colliculus, median eminence and facial colliculus. The colliculus is formed by, already I have told you, this is because of the underlying abducens nerve nucleus wind around by the facial nerve fibers. And then these are all triangles, we don't want. The next picture, thalamus connections, so many connections. Before that you should know that there are few nuclei. So first you should know this, one is anteriorly placed, another one dorsomedial, dorsolateral, ventral, all these things are given. Okay, I will tell you the important nuclei and its functions. Number one, this is the cut section of the thalamic nuclei, and here it is anterior. Look at this, this is the anterior nucleus, and here is the dorsal aspect, and here is the ventral aspect. Okay, you can see the ventral aspect here, this is the anterior nucleus. So keep it in mind, since it is placed anteriorly, if you stand in the anterior portion or if you sit anteriorly in front in the class, you will be having nice memory. So keep it in mind, anterior nucleus is for the memory, and anterior nucleus connects the mammillothalamic tract. So mammillothalamic tract and cingulate gyrus are related to memory area. Okay, so these two are important. So anterior nale you are standing in the front, so you are having a good memory. So keep it in mind, memory, mummy is so important. So mammillothalamic tract. Okay, mummy, memory, anterior nale mummy, memory. Okay, mammillothalamic tract and memory அப்படியே வச்சுக்கணும். Okay, keep it in mind. Then second is your dorsomedial. இப்படி பின்னாடி போயிடணும், go back. This is dorsomedial. Dorsomedial nale darling, you should keep it in mind. Mummy முடிச்ச பிறகு we are thinking about the darling. Darling means good personality, darling. அப்போ then you should think about the prefrontal cortex with emotions. So prefrontal cortex. So prefrontal cortex is the only area you can write dorsomedial, and it integrates the somatic, visceral, olfactory and all these things, emotional feelings. Okay, everything. So this is about the dorsomedial nucleus. Okay, so dorsomedial is darling. Darling means prefrontal. Why I am telling prefrontal? Frontal area is personality development area. So all these things are interrelated. So dorsomedial means, keep it in mind, darling. Darling means emotional, that's all, finished. Okay, emotionally all the sensations, integration of somatic, visceral and olfactory informations in related to the emotional feelings, that is your dorsomedial. Okay, pain with emotional feelings. And the next thing is lateral. Lateral we don't want. Okay, lateral because the function is unknown, so we don't want. Next comes the ventro-anterior. So ventro-anterior, you have to keep it in mind. Ventro-anterior means that is your substantia nigra. Okay, nigra or extrapyramidal areas. So ventro-anterior means substantia nigra and other things, because these are all influences the motor activity. So this is very important, that's why it comes in the ventro-anterior aspect. So all these ventro people are, anterior people are for motor, it influences the motor activity. So ventro-anterior is near here, so it is influencing the motor activity. Since it influences the motor activity, it might be in and around the substantia nigra. Substantia nigra means immediately Parkinsonism should come in your mind. So that is motor. Then ventrolateral. So ventrolateral means another one, substantia nigra is also extrapyramidal system, and another one extrapyramidal system is ventrolaterally. You are having the red nucleus. So red nucleus is present there. So connection to the red nucleus, ventrolateral. அப்போ எப்படி keep it in mind as laterally one red color doll is standing, or red color dress is hanging, something you keep it in mind. Okay, laterally means out. Okay, danger, so you have to keep it out, keep it in mind. Red is danger, so we should keep it out, so it is ventrolateral. Okay, ventro-anterior means warriors means they have to go to the front, so influences the motor activity, that is your substantia nigra. So ventrolateral is red nucleus and cerebellum also. So finished. So these two influences the motor activity. Next comes the ventropostromedial and ventropostrolateral. These two things only frequently in MCQs they ask. Ventropostromedial, it means we used to keep as VP medical. Okay, VP medical, he is having good sensations. Okay, so trigeminal lemnisci and nicely he will eat gustatory. So taste and face sensations. Okay, a lot of expression he used to give. So VP medical. So VP medical you keep ventropostromedial nuclei. It has trigeminal. Trigeminal means sensation over the face. Okay, trigeminal and then gustatory. These two are ventropostromedial. They are just a relays common sensation to consciousness. Just all the sensations they go there, conscious sensations reach there, that is all, finished. And then ventropostrolateral, for that what is the mnemonic? BP loves MS. So VP loves MS. Okay, all are funny, but we need to keep it in mind. Okay, VP loves L, ventroposterolateral, and then loves L, and then MS is medial lemnisci and spinal lemnisci, finished. Okay, these are the afferent neuronal loop, and then here also all are going towards the sensory cortex. So all are going via the thalamus to the sensory cortex. So afferent is coming from where? From the thalamus, everybody is going to the sensory cortex. So from where the people are coming only you are supposed to write. So next this also just relays the conscious sensation. And then next is intralaminar. Intralaminar means it is present inside the middle. Okay, intramedullary lamina is there, no, that is intralaminar, just that is inside the thalamus, means very protected. Very protected means painful. Those who are having pain, it means spinothalamic tract and trigeminothalamic tract, and those who want to sleep, all these fellows are sitting inside the house. So sitting inside the house means those who want to sleep in a reticular formation. So second is pain. Okay, so spinothalamic tract and trigeminothalamic tract, all the people are present inside the house, that is intralaminar. Okay, that is conscious alertness. So alertness nale reticular formation is alertness, so the function is alertness, that's all. Last comes your geniculate body, medial geniculate body and lateral geniculate body. Medial geniculate body, the information comes from the colliculus. Which colliculus? Inferior colliculus, because it is related to hearing. Lateral geniculate body, it receives it from the optic tract, and the efferent goes to the optic radiation. Okay, so medial geniculate body inferior colliculus, lateral geniculate body superior colliculus, keep it in mind. And then medial geniculate body, from there that information goes to the auditory radiation. Lateral geniculate body, since it is vision, it is going to the optic radiation, finished. So this is for vision, that is for hearing, this is very important. So we have seen so many nucleus in that, but among all the nuclei, ventropostromedial and ventropostrolateral intrathalamic and medial geniculate body, lateral geniculate body are very important. So, medial geniculate body is for hearing, auditory radiation. They come from the that afferent neuronal loop is from the inferior colliculus, that is very important MCQ. And then lateral lemnisci. Everybody knows lateral lemnisci is the decussation of the cochlear nuclear fibers from the cochlear nucleus. Cochlear nucleus is responsible for hearing. So, you keep it in mind, lateral lemnisci and inferior colliculus. It receives the information from lateral lemnisci and inferior colliculus. That is all about the all the structures present in the thalamus. So, again I repeat, anterior means front, those who are standing in the front, that is your mommy, mammillothalamic tract and memory. Second comes the dorsomedial. Dorsomedial is your darling. Darling means personality or mother again, and personality is your emotional personality. So, emotionally it organizes all the sensations. And then ventro. Ventro anterior is a warrior who influences a motor activity. So, that is substantia nigra, extrapyramidal one. Second, ventrolateral is another one extrapyramidal red nucleus. So, that is also influencing the motor activity. And next two important MCQs, ventropostromedial and ventropostrolateral. Already I told you the mnemonic ventropostromedial, VP medical. It means sensation, trigeminal lemnisci and gustatory effects. And the next, all these are only sensation, just relay the sensations. The another two MCQs are medial geniculate body and lateral geniculate body. Now, look at this picture. This is a CT image. Here you can see the first picture we saw this, the same only CT image we are seeing. So, first image I said these two, the like birds, no, red color, these two are lateral ventricles, down one is the third ventricle, both sides of the third ventricle only you are having this, okay, like that. Now, we see, okay, here also you see same picture. So, both sides lateral ventricle are seen, and then just lateral ventricle, just adjacent to the lateral ventricle, the point number 3 is your head of the caudate nucleus, and then point number 6, it means outside, that is lentiform nucleus, and then down number 5 is your thalamus. Okay, keep it in mind. In between the caudate nucleus and the lentiform nucleus, you can see a faint area, that is your internal capsule. So, the same areas I am going to show it again here. Okay. So, now you should understand the picture carefully. So, the top two are, first arrow is for which ventricle? Lateral ventricle. Second arrow, this lateral ventricle adjacent side is your head of the caudate nucleus, very good. And then next arrow, faint fiber, white matter, that is internal capsule. Then down, fourth arrow, that is your lentiform nucleus. And then fifth arrow, again the posterior limb of internal capsule, and the next posterior limb of internal capsule just adjacent to that is your thalamus, that is enough. And then in between the thalamus you have the third ventricle, finished. So, that is all about the thalamus. So, keep all the nuclei in memory, okay, somehow. Thank you.